Booyak Shaw here with a bike check. Here is my bike. The frame is an Eastern Trail Digger 2008 with integrated seat clamp and integrated headset. It's got Spanish bottom bracket. I've got Eastern Tribe cranks. I've got a Mechanic hollow track full length chain and DK plastic pedals. Premium seat. I've got a premium seat post, I believe. An old DK stem S&M hotter bars. I've got Demolition machete tires. I've got a 2.35 in the front and a 2.25 in the back. I've got a Alex double wall rim in the front. It's got 48 spokes laced to a Hazard, Odyssey Hazard, and that's even got 4 sealed bearings. Turn this around for you. Odyssey Hazard hub, or 4 sealed bearings, yeah. 4 large sealed bearings, and it's a 14mm axle. I've got standard forks. Then I've got a Shadow headset. And then Animal Edwin red grips. And then I've got a We the People Supreme hub. It's kind of hard to read, but it does say We the People, and it's really loud. It's the 36 spoke rim, and that's a Alex triple wall rim. So yes, I'm running a triple wall in the back and a double wall in the front. And I've got a stock fit sprocket. It's all chrome. And yeah, that's my bike. It's pretty nice.